Okay, no, I think fine. They definitely are challenge. So, interestingly, 200 times the lack of infrastructure and the attitudinal barriers that make us invisible. A quick look at who we are as people. Sir did introduce the Rancho Ganapka, who is the founder of Adventures Beyond Beaches, is India's first blind solo paraglider pilot. He visits as faculty. He's touched millions of lives globally through inclusion, leadership, and innovation and initiative. The person that you see here that's me. I'm not going to take too much time going through all of that. I've been extremely lucky to be honored with the Shiv Chhatrapati Veera Puraskar at Maharashtra Sports Honor. We moved on, and ADBF through our years, we've been the first to power the participation of persons with disabilities in mainstream running and marathon events. We are the first to introduce tandem cycling for the blind and their experience paragliding. Just a few pictures from some of our events that we take on, as we said, marathons, tandem cycling, we have camping sites, we do paragliding, we go mountaineering. We've recently been very lucky, one of our athletes who's blind has become the first with and without disabilities who ran together for the cause of disability inclusion. This event received support from corporate India, big names like Bajaj itself, Tata Autocoms, Zorian, all supporting through their CSR for us. Just a few pictures from that event. Amazing numbers at every possible discipline that people look at. Employees, through their volunteering hours that have been generated, corporates participate and the employees stay engaged. Move on. And of course, millions of mindsets changed forever. We've had the run and sing supported by the Raj Minister.
Last one. Okay, announce dates and Aparna ji, meanwhile, can we speak about the date, time, and all those things?
Talk about the.
Yeah, if it's taking time, then we'll continue with this.
Let's not. Yeah.
Ma'am, you can come here and sit and then.
This was an event that was organized at the Pune University and the Vice Chancellor of Pune University. Standing talk along with people from Bajaj and Tata.
We cannot do it live. I didn't know that.
And this is to today start announcing and launch the purple run, or the run that is going to be part of the Purple Fest on the 12th of October, which we would start off from the Inox parking. It starts off from there and we continue down all the way past Miramar Circle up to, for the 7-kilometer distance that we are looking at, and we have some of the details there. All the way a little past Sharda Mandir the road that goes up to Donna. So first, with and without disability who are running together, we are supporting the cause.
they are the partners.
They are curating. Continue.
Yeah, changing the mindsets and shattering stereotypes. And of course, the reason we have the run is to celebrate Goa's for becoming a more inclusive state and a nation. So I think that the purpose has never been served to speak more about it. But the first of its kind, and we are really honored to be given this opportunity to run or be a together through mountains, valleys, and urban settings. We take those greeneries, cycle together. Everybody got the way. We just catch it and release. Up in the ground.
Thank you, Aparna ji. As you saw this beautiful presentation, what they have done, we already have this tandem cycling as part of our Purple Fest expedition, and some of our partners will start soon from various destinations cycling all the way to Goa. Some of them are coming from Goa, and also spreading awareness about Purple Fest and inclusion that we are striving for. Moving forward, I would request Divyanshu who is the founder of this adventure Beyond Barriers, to say a few words on this occasion.
So we have a mic.
We cannot bring that reality to life of creating spaces in the mainstream for people with and without disability to play together, to work together, to live together, to celebrate our differences together. 20 years ago today, I lost my sight when I woke up blind one morning. and people with disability cannot do this. And 11 years ago when we started this foundation, none of this was possible in India. But today, thanks to everyone's support and thanks to partners like Rotary who step forward and support this, Geno Pharmaceuticals who step forward and support this, today we're looking at all of these sports that typically, traditionally are seen as not for people with disability. They're able to do that shoulder to shoulder alongside people from all walks of life. People with and without disability coming together, playing together, because sport has the power to inspire. Sport has the power to unite people. It has the power to bring hope where once there was only despair. And sport is the one language everybody understands, and it's the one tool to end discrimination. And we at ABBF believe in this power of sport to end these differences, to build friendships, to create a world where there's empathy, a space where we can discover more about a person in an hour of play than a year of conversation. And I cannot tell you how happy it makes me to launch this in Goa at Purple Fest, where there are going to be thousands of people with disability who are going to experience all of this for the first time. Go home knowing and believing that they can. And this is just a start. I dream of this becoming one of the biggest celebrations the world has ever seen. So thank you so much for this amazing start. Thank you, Minister, sir. Thank you, Pavaskar, sir. Thank you to all our partners, to the media for spreading awareness. Let's make this something the world takes note of. Because that's my dream, to see a world where no one is left behind. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you.
Thank you, Divyanshu. It's a huge responsibility as organizers to ensure that everything goes on smooth, and we are sure that more than those two occasions that we have done, they take part in almost all the events, and most of the sports events they have started now traveling outside the state, if I am not wrong. Over to you, Patrick.
So I'm Patrick D'Souza, the President of Disability Alliance for Inclusive Goa. For the last two editions of the Purple Fest, there are so many sporting events which are organized and we have taken part. But marathon is something different, because in other sports you have some points, you have rules, regulations. Marathon is, you can just, now from 2019, I have been participating in marathon. We go to the organizers and tell we also want to participate. And there we see that thousands are running, the person without disability, and there will be only 15 or 20. But I assure you that this Purple Fest inclusion run on 12th October will be more of persons with disabilities who will be on a wheelchair, the persons with blindness, the persons, deaf persons, all the 21 disabilities will be the part of this inclusion run. And this inclusion run is person with and without disability. So I welcome you all and I wish you all come and be a part of this marathon. Thank you.
Thank you, Patrick. We now have our partners for this inclusion run, which is Rotary Club of Panji Rivera. I would request the President of Rotary Club of Panji Rivera, Ajit, to say a few words.
A warm good afternoon to everyone. Honorable Minister Sir, Shri Guru. It's actually an honor to be associated with the Inclusion Run, to be associated with the Purple Fest. The Rotary Club of Panaji Riviera, representing District 3170 and the Rotary International, has always strived in different avenues of education, literacy, health and various sectors. And as rightly Mr. Divyanshu said, sport is something important, and today at this August function in front of the press and media, it is absolute delight to see such a beautiful event coming true to life in Goa. Thank you so much.
He met actor Amir Khan in Mumbai and extended invitation to participate in Purple Fest. After that, he has also extended invitation to our Union Minister for Health and President of BJP, Shri Nadda ji. And yesterday late night, he's back in Goa. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Guru. We have amongst us Mr. Divyanshu Ganatra, Aparna Prabhudesai, Prashant Pulle, Rishi Verma, and Paresh Degaonkar, Rotarian Jeet, Rotarian Roosevelt, Rotarian Tanvi, Rotary Club of Panji Rivera, all the members of this club, Patrick D'Souza, the President of Disability Alliance for Inclusive Goa. I sincerely thank all these organizations who have come forward to be a part of International Purple Fest. As you all know, the success of International Purple Fest is not just the government of Goa or the State Commission for Persons with Disability, not just the social welfare or empowerment of persons with disability. We have taken this initiative and it is supported by all across from all the NGOs, and today we have been organizing so many events during the International Purple Fest, but in this year too we have hundreds of events which are associated with International Purple Fest, may it be in the sports, education, conferences or cultural. There are so many things that are going to happen in these few days, and today especially a prominent event that we're going to organize is inclusive run. This is a marathon with Adventures Beyond Barriers and organized by the Adventures Beyond Barriers Foundation, ABBF, supported by the Rotary Club of Panjim Rivera. And as you all know, they've explained what it is. It is happening on 12th of October at morning 6:30 onwards AM. Starting point is Inox Panjim, and we have three categories: 3 kilometers, 5 kilometers and 7 kilometers. It's with the person with and without disability running together. It's an amazing event that we would witness, because over 5,000 participants will enjoy the running for in this to prove that we are really inclusive and we take forward all the categories of disability together. The changing, it helps us to changing the mindsets and shattering stereotype or disabilities around us, celebrating Goa's push for a more inclusive state and a nation. Friends, as you all know, the media is playing a vital role. You know, all these two Purple Fest, one is national level and the other one is international level. The media has taken us from down to top, and I expect and hope the similar role will be played by this media, because just day before yesterday I was in Delhi and there were about 40 media houses came together, you know, to spread the message of inclusivity and celebrating the diversity through International Purple Fest, and they too will come in Goa. We had collaborations, and we had two important meetings with United Nations. Mr. Shombi Shroff is leading, he is taking a lead. He will get all his people associated with this, resident commissioner's office. They will be here for 4 days, at least for 4 days, and they will do all the best to get all the nations together, and we will see the change in the world. This is not limited to Goa, it's not limited to India, but we will be spreading a unique kind of organization, unique kind of initiative, International Purple Fest, all across the world. Without taking much of your time, I'm again very grateful to all the media people, electronic media, print media, and all of you who have been taking keen interest to spread and responsibly taking, shouldering all the responsibilities of the media house. Thank you. God bless you.
Minister to unveil the t-shirts for this inclusion run.
Unveiled by you, sir.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Any questions if you have?
Yeah. To invite and to welcome them for the festival. So when we get the confirmation, we will again we will have a press conference to tell you the details about their visits.
What about the international delegate? Because since you have also got an application in Germany and Italy, so how has been the delegation of international?
So far, we have got confirmation from almost 20 to 25 countries. There are lawmakers from other countries whom we have invited. There is a conference on the policies to discuss the policies about the respective countries. Will be having member of parliament from Australia, Armenia, Russia, and a few other countries. They have already confirmed and they will be here during all the 4 days of Purple Fest. We also have member of parliament who are with disabilities from Kenya and other countries who will be taking active part in all the 4 days.
आपल्या सांगितलं प्रॉपर फेस्टिवल असेल तर तुम्ही किती ॲक्टिव्हिटीज केलेल्या medical
Yes.
now telling is biodiesel. So what do you do this time? So
No, definitely we will have probably this case and the placement. Camps also along with that.
We blind ticketing and then
No, we will see. We have started one of our pre-fest activities. Day before yesterday, it got started in Ponda. The state level Divyang chess championship. We will be starting. Most of the cricket activities are happening Ponda, so there accommodate